my Ravewonderland package came in. Let's open her up. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh no. First, there's a note. So cute. Hi baby, you are going to look so good in these fits. Have an amazing day. So I've got two in here, one pink and one black. We're going with a theme here. Now what this is, oh my God. These are the leg warmers. How cool are these? Oh my gosh, they're gonna be so fire. These are gonna be so fire. What is this? What is this? This is the top. Oh, look at that shine. Holy crap. Oh my God. And what's this? These are the bottoms. And then, oh my God. Look at how beautiful. You guys, wait, I have to drop that so you can just see the butterflies and the fuzz. Oh my God, her feathers. So gorgeous. Holy crap, this is such a vibe. And then the last piece of the black outfit is the skirt. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a look. Okay, all right, you can open the black. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? This is a sleigh. These are such the feathers, the sequins, the sparkle. I'm so excited. And then the pink skirt to match. Cute little puffball, pink earrings with hearts to match. Butterflies to go with black. Butterfly set. Oh my God, okay. We're gonna try them on. We're gonna try them on. Wait, I am speechless. Wow, the detail. I feel so pretty, like a pink ice princess. This is so gorgeous. Let me put the hood on. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. Holy crap, I would probably wear tights with it because I'm a little self-conscious of my belly. But I think it's so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this is everything. And this one's really cute too. It's a little revealing. I'm gonna put a little, I'll let you, but I'm gonna put a little black shirt on real quick. Okay, I'm back. I put a little shirt on because it was a little revealing, which TikTok is weird about it. And I put biker shorts on with this one just to show you. But guys, the details of this, oh my, it kind of looks like tattoos almost with the mesh, and then the feathers are just so girly and fun. And then the skirt, it's so cute, like, oh, was that my cat? Imagine this with like, oh my God, just full on glammed at the rave. Oh my gosh, like I will definitely be giving like full looks in this, probably on Instagram, because they won't take down a little cleave moment. And then also with the, just hang on. Look, oh my gosh, so happy. All this was plus size friendly. I got the size 3X for my bottoms, I think for the tops too this time, and these are so great. Big calves, and I'm so happy that the little furry things fit my legs. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ravewonderland.